From the complex dance of the anglerfish to the high-speed chase of the swordfish, every species has developed unique and fascinating feeding behaviors. Some use bioluminescence, others use highly sensitive sensory organs, while others still have evolved to become the ultimate opportunists. But we're just scratching the surface here. Dive with us into the mysterious world of fish feeding behavior. Almost zero. How would you find your prey? Welcome to the world of the deep-sea predators, where the norm is to adapt or perish. Let's dive into the ocean depths and meet some of these incredible hunters. Take the shark, for instance. Sharks are equipped with an astonishing adaptation known as electroreception. This enables them to detect the electrical fields produced by their prey. Imagine having a built-in radar that alerts you every time your meal is nearby. That's what it's like to be a shark. It's a world where even the faintest heartbeat can't escape notice. Alongside sharks, we find another fascinating predator. The anglerfish are not just about survival, they're about thriving in a world where you can't. Then there are the surgeonfish, named for their scalpel-like spines. These fish are primarily algae eaters, and their small, sharp teeth are ideal for nipping off pieces of algae from rocks. They also have a unique adaptation in their digestive system, a long intestine, which allows them to extract as much nutrition as possible from their plant-based diet. But what makes these grazers truly remarkable is their role in the marine ecosystem. By grazing on algae, they prevent it from smothering coral reefs, ensuring their survival. This in turn provides habitat for a multitude of other marine species. Moreover, the feeding activities of these herbivores contribute to the process of bioerosion. As parrotfish feed, they grind up coral skeletons, creating sand. Believe it or not, a single parrotfish can produce up to 1 ton of sand each year. This sand plays a key role in building and maintaining the beautiful sandy beaches we all love. In the grand tapestry of ocean life, these herbivorous fish are the unsung heroes, maintaining the health and balance of the marine ecosystem. They are proof that every creature, big or small, predator or grazer, has a vital role to play in the intricate dance of life beneath the waves. These herbivores play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of the marine ecosystem. Some of the largest creatures in the ocean are not hunters, but filter feeders. Imagine being the largest fish in the sea, yet sustaining yourself not on other large creatures, but on near microscopic organisms. This is the reality for the likes of whale sharks and basking sharks, who have evolved to become filter feeders par excellence. Whale sharks, the largest fish in the ocean, can grow up to 12 meters long. That's roughly the length of a school bus. Yet these giant creatures feed mostly on plankton, tiny organisms that drift in the ocean currents. They swim with their enormous mouths wide open, filtering the water for their microscopic meals. Now let's turn our attention to basking sharks. These are the second largest fish species, reaching lengths of up to 10 meters. Basking sharks share the same feeding strategy as whale sharks. They too open their mouths while swimming, filtering water and consuming vast amounts of zooplankton, small fish, and squid. But how does this filter feeding work? Both whale sharks and basking sharks have a unique adaptation: gill rakers. These are thin, comb-like structures in their gills that act like sieves. As these sharks swim with their mouths open, water flows in, and these gill rakers filter out the food particles. The filtered water then exits through their gills while the food is swallowed. What's fascinating is the sheer volume of water these giants can process. It's estimated that a basking shark can filter an Olympic-sized swimming pool's worth of water in just 1 hour. That's a lot of water for a lot of tiny meals. This feeding strategy allows these giants to thrive in areas where plankton is abundant, which is why they are often seen in coastal areas during plankton blooms. Despite their intimidating size, whale sharks and basking sharks pose no threat to humans. They are slow-moving, gentle creatures, completely focused on their endless quest for their next microscopic meal. These gentle giants, despite their size, thrive on the smallest of marine life. Scavengers have a bad reputation, but in the ocean, they are vital for keeping the environment clean. Imagine a world without waste management. Not a pleasant thought, is it? In the sea, scavenger fish play this role, ensuring the marine ecosystem remains balanced and healthy. Let's dive into the fascinating world of these underappreciated aquatic creatures, starting with the hagfish. Hagfish, often referred to as slime eels, are deep-sea dwellers with an unusual diet. They feed on the remains of the deceased, whether it's a whale carcass sinking to the ocean floor or the remnants of a predator's meal. They burrow into the bodies of the deceased, consuming from the inside out. It's not a glamorous job, but it's an essential one. By consuming these remains, hagfish help to recycle nutrients back into the ecosystem, contributing to a complex and delicate balance of life under the sea. Now, let's shift our gaze to catfish, another prominent member of the ocean's cleanup crew. These bottom-dwelling fish are omnivorous scavengers, feasting on a varied diet that includes algae, plants, insects, and dead animals. Catfish use their barbels or whiskers to search for food in murky waters, often feeding at night. They play a crucial role in maintaining the health of river and lake ecosystems by consuming excess plant life and decomposing animal matter. It's important to note that scavengers aren't just garbage disposals. They are survivors, adapted to thrive in a world where food can be scarce. Their feeding behavior is a testament to nature's ingenuity, turning what could be a problem, waste, into a solution. Food and nutrient recycling. So, next time you think of scavengers, think not of the ick factor, but of the essential role they play in our oceans. Scavengers, often overlooked, are the unsung heroes of the marine world. The ocean is a world of wonders, with its inhabitants displaying an array of feeding behaviors. From the deadly dance of the predatory fish to it's a world where giants like blue whales feed on tiny krill by the ton, using their baleen as a filter in one of nature's most impressive feeding spectacles. Then there are the unsung heroes, the scavengers, who clean up the ocean floor, turning waste into sustenance. Each creature, each behavior, plays a vital role in the delicate balance of marine ecosystems. The more we understand these behaviors, the better equipped we are to protect and conserve these habitats. As we learn more about these amazing creatures, our respect and responsibility towards preserving their habitats should only deepen. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe and share to others. And also write your comments about this fascinating fish behavior.